Eating a proper, nourishing meal when you live alone shouldn't mean a sink full of dirty dishes or a fridge full of wasted food. Today, I'm sharing 8 cheap, easy, and incredibly gentle one-pot meals where everything is made in a single pan, leaving you with just one dish to cook in and one dish to wash. Meal 1: Creamy tomato and white bean skillet. To make it, gently simmer a minced clove of garlic in a splash of oil until fragrant. Then add a can of drained white beans and pour in a cup of crushed tomatoes. Let it bubble away for about 10 minutes. Stir in a handful of fresh spinach until it wilts down, and finish with a light sprinkle of cheese. This entire meal leans on shelf-stable staples that cost just pennies per serving and sit patiently in your pantry until you need them, meaning zero spoiling and absolutely no rushing to use things up. Plus, those beans cook up beautifully soft with no chewing strength required, delivering an exceptional source of dietary fiber to help with slower digestion and keep your blood sugar steady. If you make a double portion, this skillet saves beautifully. Just pop the leftovers into a small, airtight container, and it reheats in a small pan with a splash of water the next evening, tasting even better after the flavors have sat together. Meal 2: Golden egg and spinach frittata. Our second meal is a real classic and one of the cheapest dinners you can possibly make: a golden egg and spinach frittata. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs with a tablespoon of milk, a little salt, and pepper. Then pour the mixture into a small oiled skillet over low heat. Toss in a handful of chopped spinach, or any leftover cooked vegetables you want to use up. Then cover it with a lid and let it cook gently for 5 to 7 minutes until the eggs are completely set and fluffy. Pound for pound, eggs are one of the lowest cost, highest quality, complete proteins on the market, meaning you always have a satisfying meal waiting in the fridge. They are packed with choline to support your memory and cognitive health, along with lutein from the golden yolks, which helps protect aging eyes against macular degeneration. A wonderful tip for a one-person household is to let any leftover frittata cool completely, slice it into wedges, and wrap them up. They make a delicious, no-cook cold lunch the next day, paired with a bit of soft bread. Meal 3: Savory chicken thigh and rice skillet. Next up is a hearty, complete meal in one pan: a savory chicken thigh and rice skillet. Sear one diced chicken thigh in a small pot until it's nicely browned. Then add half a cup of rice along with a cup of low-sodium broth and a handful of frozen peas. Cover it with a tight lid, turn the heat right down to low, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed and the rice is beautifully fluffy. I always recommend chicken thighs here because they are significantly cheaper than breast meat, far juicier, and stay beautifully tender when simmered. This completely avoids that dry, stringy texture that can become a swallowing hazard, while giving you a solid dose of zinc and iron to keep your immune system strong. Because rice and chicken stretch so far, this recipe easily makes 2 full meals. And since chicken thighs stay moist, the leftovers won't go dry or rubbery when you reheat them in the microwave or on the stovetop the following night. Meal 4: Lean ground turkey and zucchini skillet. Number 4 is quick, lean, and wonderfully easy on the budget: a lean ground turkey and zucchini skillet. Just brown a 1/4 pound of ground turkey with a little chopped onion in a skillet, and once it's cooked through, add a chopped zucchini and a pinch of Italian seasoning. Cover the pan and let the zucchini steam gently in the meat's own moisture for about 5 minutes until it's lovely and tender and full of flavor. Ground meats are incredibly cost-effective because there are no bones or gristle, meaning you use every single bit of what you pay for, resulting in zero kitchen waste. It's a lean protein that's highly accessible if you deal with dental sensitivity, and the zucchini cooks down to a very soft consistency while providing excellent daily hydration. If you have extra portions, this mixture freezes beautifully. You can batch cook a larger amount, freeze it in single serving bags, and just thaw one out on an evening when your energy is too low to cook from scratch. Meal 5: Red lentil and carrot comfort soup. Our 5th meal is pure comfort in a bowl: a red lentil and carrot comfort soup. Combine half a cup of red lentils, 1 chopped carrot, a 1/4 of an onion, and 2 cups of vegetable stock in a small pot, then bring it to a boil, cover, and simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes until the ingredients melt together. Dry red lentils are one of the cheapest pantry proteins you can buy in bulk, and they require absolutely no pre-soaking. The magic here is that they completely dissolve into a thick natural puree all on their own, meaning there is absolutely nothing to chew while giving you a big boost of potassium to help regulate blood pressure. Soup is the ultimate leftover meal for someone living alone. It actually tastes deeper and richer on day 2, and you can easily stretch the remaining soup by stirring in a little warm milk or cream when you reheat it. Meal 6. Sweet potato and black bean chili. Number 6 is a warm, satisfying bowl with a little gentle spice, a sweet potato and black bean chili. Peel and dice 1 small sweet potato into small cubes so they cook quickly, then put them in a pot with a drained can of black beans, a spoonful of tomato paste, a cup of water, and a dash of mild chili powder. Simmer it covered for about 15 minutes until the sweet potatoes are completely fork tender and sweet. Sweet potatoes are inexpensive, sturdy root vegetables that store well for weeks in a cool pantry, which completely eliminates food waste for a one-person household. Together with the black beans, this meal delivers beta-carotene for immune health and magnesium to support your bone density as the years go by. This chili is incredibly filling, and any extra portions can be kept in the fridge for up to 4 days, making it a fantastic, reliable backup dinner that only requires a quick minute of heating up. Meal 7, Pantry Tuna and Pea Pasta Pan. Our 7th dinner is a clever little recipe that cooks everything, even the pasta, in a single pan. Bring 1½ cups of low-sodium broth to a boil in a small pan. Add half a cup of small pasta shapes and cook them directly in the liquid. When the pasta is nearly done and most of the water has evaporated, stir in a drained can of tuna and half a cup of frozen peas, warming it through for just 2 minutes until hot. The pasta cooks right in the pan, so there's no separate heavy pot of boiling water to drain, which is much easier on sifting hands. Canned tuna is a fantastic budget friend that gives you premium seafood nutrition and easy-to-digest omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for reducing joint inflammation and easing daily stiffness. Since this meal is built on canned and frozen staples, it's the perfect emergency dinner for nights when your fridge is empty and you haven't had a chance to visit the grocery store. Meal 8. Cozy Miso Tofu Noodle Pot. Our 8th and final meal is a cozy miso tofu noodle pot. Bring 2 cups of water to a gentle simmer. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of miso paste until smooth. Then drop in a single serving of quick cooking ramen or rice noodles, half a cup of cubed firm tofu, and some shredded carrots. Simmer for just 3 to 5 minutes until the noodles are tender and the broth is rich. Tofu is remarkably inexpensive, stores well in the fridge, requires 0 chewing, and provides a light, easily digestible protein for a delicate stomach. The fermented miso paste is a quiet hero too, introducing beneficial probiotics that help support a healthy gut as we get older. This is an incredibly light, soothing meal that is best enjoyed immediately, but because it takes under 5 minutes from start to finish, it gives you a fresh, hot dinner with absolutely 0 hassle. Before we wrap up, here is a quick tip to protect your hands if arthritis or sore joints make chopping vegetables a strain. Lean heavily on frozen, pre-cut vegetables like peas, corn, or stir-fry mixes. They are frozen right at their peak ripeness, so they carry the exact same nutritional value as fresh, but they save your hands the work, save you money, and will never spoil sitting in the fridge, which is an absolute lifesaver when you live alone. Eating well when you live alone doesn't have to mean fuss, expense, or a mountain of dishes. A good, nourishing meal can be simple, cheap, and easy, and you deserve exactly that. Now, I'd truly love to hear from you. Tell me down in the comments, are you a warm and cozy soup person, a hearty skillet person, or do you love a soothing bowl of noodles? Let me know which of these 8 you're going to try first, because I read every single comment. If you found this video helpful, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss a new recipe or meal. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Now go treat yourself to a good meal, happy cooking, and take good care of yourself.